In this video, you will learn how to start a real estate agency business. Starting a real estate agency business can be an exciting and rewarding venture. As the real estate market continues to grow, there are ample opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to establish their own agency. However, like any business, it requires careful planning, market knowledge, and strategic implementation. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to start a successful real estate agency business. Step 1. Define your business plan. Before diving into any business venture, it's crucial to have a clear vision and a well-defined business plan. Identify your target market, location, and the services you want to offer. Determine your agency's unique selling points and core values. Outline your short-term and long-term goals, financial projections, and marketing strategies. Step 2. Obtain the required licenses and certifications. Real estate agencies are subject to various regulations and licensing requirements which vary from country to country or state to state. Research the specific licensing and certification requirements in your area and ensure compliance. Typically, this involves completing pre-licensing courses, passing exams, and obtaining a real estate license. Step 3. Build a knowledgeable and skilled team. A successful real estate agency relies on a team of competent professionals. Hire experienced and licensed real estate agents who are familiar with the local market. Consider their track record, expertise, and commitment to delivering exceptional service. It's also important to have administrative staff to handle paperwork, marketing, and customer inquiries. Step 4. Establish a strong network. Networking plays a vital role in the real estate industry. Build relationships with other professionals, such as mortgage brokers, attorneys, appraisers, and contractors. Attend industry events, join local real estate associations, and participate in community activities. A robust network will not only help you acquire leads but also establish your agency's credibility. Step 5. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a comprehensive marketing plan to promote your real estate agency and attract clients. Develop an appealing brand identity, including a logo, website, and social media presence. Utilize online and offline marketing channels, such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media advertising, direct mail campaigns, and hosting open houses. Consistently track and evaluate your marketing efforts to optimize results. Step 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Client satisfaction is paramount in the real estate industry. Build a reputation for providing exceptional customer service and exceeding client expectations. Foster open communication, be responsive, and establish trust with your clients. Focus on delivering personalized and tailored solutions to meet their unique needs. Positive reviews and referrals from satisfied clients will significantly contribute to your agency's growth. Step 7. Continuously educate yourself and adapt. The real estate market is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, market conditions, and legal regulations. Continuously educate yourself and your team through workshops, seminars, and industry publications. Embrace technological advancements and leverage real estate software and tools to streamline operations and provide a seamless customer experience. In conclusion, starting a real estate agency business requires careful planning, dedication, and a customer-centric approach. By following these steps, you can lay a strong foundation for your agency's success. Remember to define your business plan, obtain the necessary licenses, build a knowledgeable team, establish a strong network, develop a marketing strategy, provide exceptional customer service, and stay adaptable to market changes. With perseverance and hard work, your real estate agency can thrive in the competitive industry and achieve long-term success.